Look.
Hello everyone.
Hello, look.
Yeah. So we're having a McDonald's. What have you got inside, CJ?
Look, cat.
Oh yeah, favourite pets.
Yeah.
So we're going to be washing Mummy's car
Yeah.
while CJ has his McDonald's.
Yeah.
So here we are now at the car wash. Dad is going to wash car. CJ, where's CJ? Can't see him. Where's CJ gone? Let's find CJ. McDonald's. So we just washed the car.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Have you enjoyed your McDonald's?
Yeah.
You still eating? Oh yeah, you still got some left, haven't you? Oh, you got tomato sauce on your finger. Nice. So where are we going now? We're going shopping. Alright. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.